and good morning. I have my eye matches. What? Hello and good morning. I have my eye masks on. I just made pumpkin pancakes with pumpkin butter, and then I made apples in apple cider and cinnamon. I let that saute when I meal prepped yesterday. I put them in my fridge to go over my overnight oats. I made apple pie overnight oats, but I thought I had enough to put it on my pumpkin pancakes, so it's a proper fall breakfast. I also have some bone broth in my Snoopy mug. I got this from Home Goods. And then I'm wearing this shirt, which is not mine, but you know. But it says social distancing and wearing a mask in public since 1978. And it's our boy Michael. Like, had to steal it. Had to steal it. I didn't steal it from a store. I stole it from a person. Let's be clear. No way it's rightful owners getting it back. No shot in hell. This is the Dream Spooky shirt. Also got my ice roller. Oh, I'm addicted. Atticus is also eating his breakfast and I don't want to tell him to stop, so enjoy that background noise for you. But it is Monday. I did my weekly reset on a Sunday, actually. Are you not proud of me? And I also did go out on Saturday night. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna plan my week out a little bit because I do like to do the planning and like content planning for a couple hours on Monday mornings, because I feel like if we just focus Sunday on the self-care, the cleaning, schoolwork, all of that, it's less overwhelming. I actually loathe entirely that it's already October 17th. Like, girl, I only have like a couple weeks of spooky left. I'm gonna have to transition to the second phase of fall, which is Thanksgiving fall, which is not spooky. This shirt is not it, and I'm sad about it, but it's okay. It's okay. I can transition to Gossip Girl Thanksgiving episodes. Since it is October 17th, that means on Friday, we're getting Taylor Swift's new album. Like, that is the only reason I am okay with the month progressing. Only reason. So I did a little foliage moment and only half of it is lit. I don't know why I never had enough to do the other side, but you know what? We won't light it. We won't light it until I get extra fairy lights. But look, fall foliage. Shifting into soup mode, okay? Okay, so I am still in the same shirt that I've worn all day, but you know what? I don't care. I'm going to make some chili. I'll leave the recipe that I found down below, but I have my perfect little food storage containers to save this for the week, so I don't know what that was. It was like I gotta stop. Anyway, I'm shifting into soup mode. Now a quick word from today's sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is the platform I use to create my website, and it's an all-in-one platform to build your brand through an online presence. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to customize and add sections to your website. What makes Squarespace so easy to use is that you can choose from all of these templates. So if you don't really know where to start, but you want to make a contact page, a newsletter, you want to list products for your store, they have all of these templates that you can choose from, and then you can build upon them and customize them to your liking. It's very easy. It's great for beginners or people that just want to make their lives a little bit easier. It's easy to create a one-stop shop website where you can create a blog, a store, and you can really showcase all sides to your business through one website. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Making pumpkin pie oats. So what I put in was just my regular oats, oat milk, and then some chia flax powder because I always add either that or collagen. And then I put in a big fat juicy dollop of pumpkin puree and then some pumpkin pie spice. But if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can just do like cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, whatever fall spices you think fit in there. I'm gonna cook this up and then I'm gonna make a little homemade pumpkin spice latte. So for the pumpkin spice latte, I'm adding a spoonful of the pumpkin puree to where I'm gonna froth my milk. So it makes the milk pumpkin spicy, and then I'm gonna add this little creamer that I got from Whole Foods, almond and coconut creamer, pumpkin spice. I'm just gonna do a dollop of this, and then the rest is going to be regular oat milk. Then we're gonna really amp it up, and I'm putting a splash of the pumpkin pie spice. Not a splash, a pinch of the pumpkin pie spice. And you know what? A little more. That baby is gonna be so pumpkin-y, and now I'm gonna add some oat milk and then froth it up. Okay, so this is today's breakfast. I have my little homemade pumpkin spice latte and my pumpkin spice oats. I just topped it with some pumpkin butter and then a banana and some hemp seeds. It doesn't look that great. And look at my little Snoopy mug. I got it at Home Goods, so I don't have a link for it. Just pop in your local Home Goods and all the mugs are like $5. So. There's no other dogs on this. Odd and shade. I got my Storettes package. I'm gonna do a quick little mini fall haul. I wanna start doing little mini unboxing / hauls in my vlogs because there's always a new package to show you guys. I just got my nails done red for Halloween. Also, in the next fall vlog, I was gonna vlog my Halloween weekend, but let's be realistic here. Let's be realistic. Am I going to take a camera out when I am white girl wasted at a nightclub and a party? Like, let's think for a second. Let's think, no. So in the next vlog, I'm gonna put on all of my Halloween costumes and like try them on, see how everything looks on camera so you guys can see what I'm gonna be. And then if you wanna see the costumes in action, I will be posting on my Instagram stories on Halloween weekend. So for now, my Storettes little order came in and I got a few items for fall and I really wanna show you. Look at this gorgeous furry little leather jacket. I'll link it all down below so you can see everything properly, but the inside, look at that. Oh my God. Next up, I got this cashmere-like sweater. It's just a huge cream sweater. I got a set with this fuzzy, furry little dress, little sleeveless moment, and then a cardigan that goes over it. It looked really fun, fresh, and frisky in the picture, so I wanted to do that. Next, I got a pair of shoes, and these shoes I have been wanting since last fall, and I don't know why I just couldn't find them, or I didn't try looking hard enough, but I found them this year. Look at these bad boys. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh, I don't even know how to act. I cannot wait to style these. I am really gonna try so hard to wear different outfits, to like actually put together more outfits more often because I get too lazy and too comfortable. So I need to style some fall looks. And also I really wanna do like reels of fall outfit of the days. I think that'd be really fun. I really need to start making reels. Comment below things you want me to make reels of. So like morning routines, outfits, food, anything. Just comment below what you wanna see me make reels of because that's really where Instagram is headed, and I like video more than I like photos, so I don't know why I haven't gotten on the reels thing. I just feel like it's hard to vlog and reel at the same time. I just can't do it well. So I feel like I'm gonna dedicate some days on my schedule to, sorry, I get distracted easily, love. Text with an emotional support coach at no additional cost. Okay. My insurance is trying to tell me something, like, girl, chill. I would love that, but chill. I'm gonna dedicate one day a week to shooting reels because I feel like that would be really fun. And I really want to get into shooting reels so much more. I wanna pump those bad boys out more often. I wanna be more active on Instagram on my feed because I'm active on stories, but not on the feed. And so I think I just wanna do like maybe photo dumps on the feed and then mostly reels because I hate the whole going to shoot outfit photos. I hate it. I am not good at it. I want my Instagram to be more like low-key, more like actual life and less styling outfits, shooting them, and it's so impersonal. I just want my Instagram to be like a little visual diary of my life. I don't want to do the whole curated styling like 10 looks and shooting 10 outfits in a day. Like, I feel like there's nothing personal about that, and I feel like I'm not even known for that. So let's keep it realistic, let's keep it lifestyle, let's keep it vlog. I'll still show fashion, but it's less like, hey, I'm gonna style an outfit that I don't actually wear and show you. I want my Instagram to be more like low-key, but still stunning, but low-key. Does that make sense? Anyway, that's like my mini little fall haul. I am gonna end the vlog here, and then we're gonna get the next fall vlog started. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.